Good morning, Anchorage. Can you hear something? Do you hear something? Can you hear something? What's that sound? What's that sound? It's the most annoyingest sound. It's going all night and all day. We're getting closer. Getting closer. Getting closer. Listen to the sound. Is this the most annoying sound you ever heard? Can you hear it? It literally goes on all day, every day. I believe it's a pest rodent, but if you guys ever had this in your home, let me know. Day number 4, Anchorage, Alaska. C-Mags out. Peace.